Get ready. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Start. Mrs. Chaudhary, learned amicus curiae, assisted by Miss Das and Mr. Hazarika, learned counsel. Mr. Dhar, learned additional senior government advocate, Assam, and Mr. Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel for education department for the respondents. On 13/1/2013, a news article was published in the local daily The Sentinel relating to the condition of juveniles in conflict with law who were neglected and needed care and protection. According to the State News report, the juveniles in conflict with law were tortured in police custody, and the juveniles justice system is in pitiable condition in the state of Assam. It was reported that observation homes are functioning only in Kamrup, Nagaon, and Jorhat district, whereas no observation homes are there in trafficking prone district, that is Dhubri, Kokrajhar, Baksha, Shirang, and Bongaigaon. The report also alleged that the child welfare committees set up in the district of Assam remained largely non-functional. Consequent to the State News report, PIL number 18/2013 was registered. Again, on 30/4/2013, the National NGO Child Rights Coalition and All Assam Forum for Child Rights submitted one letter to this court pursuant to a meeting dated 27/4/2013 of concerned individuals and organizations who had discussed the issues pertaining to the children. The core issues discussed in the said meeting were regarding sexual assault and even murder or attempt to murder of children in the state of Assam. In the said letter, some suggestions were forwarded regarding prevention of sexual harassment to children. Amongst them, setting up of special courts for speedy trial of those accused of sexual offense against children, setting up of special juvenile police units in all the district in a phased manner, protection measures for female domestic helpers, capacity building at all levels, and educating children how to protect themselves from sexual assault, etc., were suggested. The said letter was registered as PIL number 43 2013. Besides, another public interest litigation, that is PIL number 46 2013, was registered on the petition submitted by the Bachpan Bachao Andolan for directing the respondent authorities to implement the provision under Articles 21A, 23, 24 of the Constitution of India and Juvenile Justice Act within bracket Care and Protection of Children Act 2000 as amended and Rules 2011. The Bonded Labor System Act 1976, Protection of Children and Sexual Offences Act 2012, and Children Labor Act 1986. It was also prayed that the first information reports of the victims of abduction and trafficking may be registered and proper inquiry should be initiated, and the institutions like the State Commission for Protection of child rights as well as child welfare committees, district child protection units, children's court and other institutions may be directed to function properly. All these PILs were clubbed together, and since the issues were same, this court, White Order dated 5/2014, disposed of all PILs, that is PIL number 4613 and PIL number 1813, and keeping alive only one PIL number 43 2013. Liberty was also granted to all the learned counsel appearing in those disposed of cases to make their submission in PIL number 43 2013.